Hi, this is Brian. I'm Karan from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Westhampton and I'm creating existing condition drawings of this house and I'd say semi-detached garage. Scope of work is exterior elevations, floor plans, RCPs, electrical plans, and some interior elevations. So this house has been in the owner's family since he was a kid. It's a summer home for the family, and yeah, they're going to be doing some major updating because it's not really being used right now. So pan around the yard a little bit. New construction there and new construction there. So yeah, this is what I'm working on today. I figured I'd show you around. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in the Hamptons, in the city, upstate, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.